unveiling of the plaques for the inauguration and renovation and upgradation of District Auditorium program.
On behalf of the PWD Roads, I express my gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister for sanctioning this project of Tura Towns. This is the initiatives of our Honorable Chief Minister to improve all the roads connectivity within Tura Towns. The project includes 246 numbers, approach roads, internal roads, and the work was allotted to Midas Construction, and the time completion is 36 months. The tender value of the project is around 51.1 crore and the sanction is 55 crores. The PWD will ensure early completion of the project. With the completion of this project, the overall road condition in Tura Town will be greatly improved.
It's so good that you have come here to say you're glad with us. It's so good that you have come here to say you're glad with us. Be us for some time. We are glad to welcome you to be us for some time. It's so good that you have come here to say your love with us. It's so good that you have come here to say your love with us. We are glad to welcome you to be with us for some time. We are glad to welcome you to be with us for some time.
Dalo nga namin kusyo nga may na district auditorium ni upgradation aro renovation ni kam machuta ha aro ya upgradation work ni dentang component rang donga jekai stage extension of stage aro gital sound system control room generator facility, totally air conditioned auditorium, gital dressing room, gital toilet rang, aro banga dentang component rang dunga, aro dalo plug component rang machutaha. In district, now we can have all our district level functions in this wonderful auditorium, thus saving a lot of recurring expenditure on temporary pandals and tents, and it will, even in the rainy season, it will, like today itself, it's a showcase of what resources can be saved, and it's a wonderful facility.
Kacarar pengrang ya sumayo ang anamen kaca kusiunga ya nakaban ang begpa nukdrengo ang ceng asonge ya thombi moni ko dakna manenga dalo iko taripel taya ha renovate ka ha aro dalo ang ceng namen dong tuwe ya ko jakalna manenga fully air conditioned namgapa toilet rang facility rang donga ha namgapa sound system ko ang ceng manenga aro asong doko ba seat rang ko ban chang asonge dalo ya program ko attend kana manenga yan an chingna rasong chabe ni unga tura songjin mau ndakaba dalo auditorium khan ching mana ha yana anga dingthang mancha aro ang baksa an sakan the anga beber a mathelna scan an chingni chief minister yako an chingna initiate khae kham khadle una ha aro ni kham khadlani chi dalo art and culture department yako adita thangka paisa ko chakhale yako dalo an chingna dalo uprakhe una gita mana ha yano nga untisa anga tapana skenga yan an chingni rasong unga yan nakwa namgapa dongthogopa auditorium ko yako name jakhalani yako nostongat kija mchiat kija rongthale nostongat kija iko jakhalani an chingni daitong gen.
It gives me great pleasure to be able to be a part of this wonderful event and to see how wonderful this auditorium has turned out. We have many fond memories of being here from childhood till now. The foundation stone of this auditorium was laid by my late father, Mr. P.A. Sangma, and today it's wonderful to see that the renovation and upliftment of this auditorium is also being done by my elder brother, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma. So with these few words, I would like to thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to share a few words, and I would like to wish everybody the very best for the coming times, and I hope that we will be having many wonderful programs that would be held in this auditorium.
Dalongan namin kusyonga mena ya auditorium namin at sina tura town na namin important biap kesokwa aro dalo ya ko namin renovate ka emang seat trangko at sin getal seat trangko tikchok internal dalo air conditioning ko tikaha dalo tura town no ya auditorium baksa Sanga that big externally aided project under New Development Bank, Chukmotan NDB, yan Tura Town ni Smart Town project ni andurungwa, yana chinga 55 crores ni chinga project kurabaha. Ya 55 crores o total 277 internal Turani road sangko da authari na pachinga. Ya rabako tharina dalo contractor ang badwa e meetingo contractor ang ko panga matela dalo kamrang ko bisung tharake na pachinga taha. Uneman dalo ya internal roads ko tharina almost 55 crores ang ko chinga kurus kaha. Aru ina agriba state budget uni more than around 40-50 crores ko internal roads rang na aro main roads rang na chinga tangga pesurang ko sanction ka. Uni orto di rianga pa ya bulshibri atani ki sepu Tura town na more than 100 crores ni rama rang ko thari na dingtang scheme rang ko chinga Tura town na implement ka. Yani ki sepu dalo Tura town no ya auditorium chungcha maina Tura town da longin daljo. Aro dengtang infrastructure ko anchang namdapinga. Unigaman ya plakko machine talo Tura town na chinga getal convention center ko ba sanction ka ha. Yan 50 crores ni state of the art new convention center again. Maina dalo anchini youth rang na chung biap rang ko namat jaude facility rang ko namat jaude. Anchini dengtang business rang na entrepreneurs rang na dengtang organization nang na academician nang na dal gepa program ko atna chung turao lam gepa program ko atna ska ode achung dalo infrastructure dungja yadak pa program nang ko atna biap rang dongwa sa chini economy thangtugen ya program nang ko atna matno sa chung na dal gepa hotel rang sukpagen hotel rang ibak ode tourism bari ode chini mandirang benefit ko matgen. It is all connected.